Okay, so today we're gonna introduce chapter 7, which is exercise 11. We can actually see right here is the topic. Revisit a drunk pirate problem from the exercise in chapter 3. And as we can remember, this, a drunk man, he's just he was doing a tour and a distance. Like he just walked like really randomly. So and this time the drunk pirate makes a turn and takes some step forward and repeat this. And search science now record a pairs of data, which is angle of turn and steps. So the data is there are like 1, 2, 3, 4 datas inside here. So we can do it, we do it right here, which is import total and wn total t blah blah blah, which is the basic stuff. And then xs is our set of data, which is right here. Okay, oh yeah, I think I just double made it, which is not good. So we can define our function, which is txs. T refers to the t right here, which I want to say it is turtle. So and for xy in xs, and as we know, s can be like described as the first one of the two numbers. The y can be present as 20 as the second number. I'll make t right x. Yeah, I think it doesn't say there's kind of which side he make the turn, so the angle of each turn and after turn. So we can just say he was making a right turn and he moved forward in y, which is 10, 20, 8, and 12. And as we run this test, as we run this test, it's going to be this one. Yeah, that should be good. Thank you.